Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial on polygons. Okay, so what you see in front of you are the number of sides of polygons and the names of these shapes. Okay, so before I begin on informing you on the names, polygons are basically shapes, okay, containing a certain number of sides. Okay, poly means many lah. Okay, so in this case, in your syllabus, you need to know the number of sides of polygons that has 5 all the way to 4. Sorry, 5 all the way to 10. Okay, a three-sided figure, a three-sided polygon is your triangle, a four-sided polygon is your quadrilaterals, and you need to know the rest from 5 all the way until 10. Okay, so let's begin. So a five-sided polygon is called a pentagon. Alright, a six-sided figure is called a hexagon. A seven-sided figure is called a heptagon. Okay, at this stage, I'll just pause for a bit. At this stage, you should be able to see that all the names ends with a gon. Okay, it ends with that name here, gon. G-O-N, G-O-N, and G-O-N. So your job is to remember the first part of these names. Okay, such as your penta, hexa, hepta. Okay, so for hexagon, I can remember the number 6. Okay, it ends with S-I-X, so I need to have a X over here. Okay, so your hexagon and your heptagon sounds very similar. So how to distinguish? Hexagon is it has the letter X, so as the number 6. So hexa belongs to 6. Okay, right. Let's go to number 8. Number 8 is an octagon. Okay, octagon. So you can recall an 8-sided animal. The animal with 8 tentacles is your octopus, right? So it comes with octa here. All right. 9 is your nonagon, and lastly 10 is your decagon. D-C-A-G-O-N. For decagon, it's very simple because in one decade you have 10 years. Okay, so deca and deca over here. Nonagon is how you spell 9, N-I-N-E, right? So there are double nines. Okay, there's double nines for nonagon. Okay, so these are just the few notes or just tips for you to remember the names of the sites. And I'm sorry to say, you must memorize the names because they will use these names in the question. Find the sum of interior angles of a octagon, of a pentagon, and so on. Okay, so you must make an effort to remember all these 6 names. Okay, so the next part that I'm going to go through, okay, are the formulas involved. Okay, so just hang on for a bit. Okay, so for polygons, you have 3 formulas that you must remember. Okay, except for number 2. It's not really a formula, it's just a figure. Okay, so I'm not going to waste time. I'm going to tell you the sum of interior angles is obtained by taking 180 degrees multiplied by n minus 2. Okay, and at this stage, this is the first time you see the letter n. N stands for the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, so if your polygon has 7 sides, n equals to 7. Okay, if it has 10 sides, 10 minus 2 times multiplied by 180 to get your sum of interior angles. Okay, I'll go through on how to use these formulas later on. Okay, second one, the sum of exterior angles is equals to 360 degrees. It is just a number, it's just a value. Okay, there's no formula. You just need to remember it is equals to 360 degrees. Okay, and where are the exterior angles? I will show you later on in a certain diagram. Okay, and lastly, the sum of one interior and one exterior angle is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so let me just show you something. Okay, so let's have this is a pentagon here. Okay, so this is our pentagon. So based on this diagram, where are the interior angles? The interior angles are here. Okay, all these are the interior angles, right? Because it is located inside the polygon. So to get the sum of interior angles, we use the formula as per number 1. Okay, Sum of exterior angles. So where are the exterior angles? The most misconception is this is our exterior angle. Okay, it's easy to label this as exterior angle, which is convenient, but it is not. Okay, the exterior angle is obtained by extending your one side of your polygon. So in this case, I'm extending this side. Okay, so I extend this side, and then this is my exterior angle. Okay, I will do the same thing. Okay, sorry. So I will take another line, I extend this side. Okay, and then this becomes my exterior angle. Okay, that is why it brings us to number 3. The sum of one interior and one exterior angle equals to 180 degrees. This is basically the sum of angles on a straight line. Okay, we obtain this line by extending the side. Okay, let me just extend the other side. Okay, so I extend this line, extend this side, sorry, extend this side and extend this side. So basically all these are straight lines. So these are the exterior angles. Okay, all exterior angles add up to 360 degrees, no matter what is the number of sides. Whether you have 5 sides, 12 sides, or even 14 sides or 20 sides, the sum of exterior angle equals to 20 degrees. Okay, it doesn't change. Unlike the interior angles, it will change. Okay, so these are the 3 formulas that you must know for polygons. And again, just like the names, you must remember them because it won't be given in your formula sheet. Okay, so catch us at the next video. I'll go through some questions on how to apply these formulas and how to solve problems involving polygons. Okay, catch you in a bit.